Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin part number 63116. This is a cobalt high-speed steel, fractional size, straight shank, jobber's length, quarter-inch drill bit. This is an incredibly common drill bit, not only because well, primarily because it's quarter-inch. That's going to be incredibly common naturally. But, and here it is, removed from the package. This is a special bit for me because cobalt is good. I've had good success with cobalt bits. I find that when a cobalt bit is run gingerly and allowing the tool to do the work, don't heat it up too much. Just let the tool do the work. You'll get great life expectancy out of this. But really, for me, it's the confluence of the 5% M35, 5% of it being cobalt high-speed steel for super abrasive resistance and tough metals. But it's that 135-degree point that's on there, which reduces feed pressure for easier penetration without work hardening. What does that mean? It's a flatter point versus 118-degree. I find when I'm drilling through especially a thick piece of material that because it's flatter, I have removed more of the piece when the drill bit begins to exit the other side, helping reduce its potential for seizing when those spiral cutting edges get to the outside of the piece, causing it to seize, okay, maybe damaging the operator, harming the operator, breaking the bit, overworking the bit, damaging the workpiece. So that 135-degree is removing more material as I get through the total thickness, allowing me to get a better precision, better control, better finished product. So I'm partial to not only the cobalt, but I'm drilling in odd material, stuff that I don't generally drill into, super tough material, or if I'm drilling some stainless in very thin material. I like the 135-degree because I've got a lot of the material removed as I'm exiting the piece, allowing me to get a clean finish on, obviously, the drilled side, but the opposite of the drilled side. Heavy-duty spiral flute design produces faster chip ejection. Shorter cutting lips reduce torque for drilling in high-tensile strength materials. Of course, stainless, in my opinion, falls into that category. Applications: tough metal drilling, including heavy-duty abrasive alloy metal drilling on hardened steel, heat-treated material as well. Quarter-inch size, 2 3/4 flute length, 4-inch overall length. There are a couple of links below this video that I'd like to bring you, make you aware of. First is the link to a document called Reference Guide, which is literally a reference guide for metal drilling. We'll give you some handy information, importantly some cutting speeds on the last page depending on the material that you're drilling into. Also, there's a link to a document called Product Brochure, which is a metal drilling product brochure subsection of the full line catalog. That's handy because you might say, well, I want the 1/4 inch, but I need some 3/8 as well and some 1/8 inch. When you pull up that product catalog, you can populate this part number, the 63116, into it. Find the page that it's on, but more importantly, find all the immediate sister products. And then, of course, variations of before and after that page as well. The last thing I'd like to point out to you is the link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all the Irwin products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, but also a link to the full product catalog. I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use their products personally, and I can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin 63116 Cobalt, high-speed steel, fractional straight shank, jobber's length drill bit, 1/4 inch, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.